Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Watch 4 active and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. Let's start by opening the Huawei Health application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, tap on the devices icon and here you should see your Huawei Watch 4 on the list. Tap on it to select it. On this page, find the More Options icon in the top right corner, tap on it, tap on Unpair Device and tap on Remove. Once the device disappears from the Devices page, you can close the app, open the settings on your iPhone. In Settings, tap on the Bluetooth option. Here you should see Huawei Watch 4 on the list of my devices. Once you see it, tap on the info icon next to it, then tap on Forget this device and tap on Forget device to remove it. And at this point the watch is unpaired from your iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.